Alright, here's a quick video on how to assemble the front headlight brackets and headlight assemblies. And I've already done it already, but I forgot to do a video of it, so this is going to be a real quick one to work on. Alright, for starters, what I've already done, so this is your front indicator light. This is the driver's side. So when you look at it, here is your spring, okay? That indicates, and that's in the bottom, okay? So that indicates this is the front left. So look at it, it is over like that. So this is your driver's side. All right, so this is your bracket for the indicator light, and then your ground wire for that light. All right, and then what I've already inserted, you got your plastic clips here and here, and these are for your adjustment screws for the headlight. And then the spring, left mine on. If yours has one, it does not. Either way, you need to get one on there. And then for the rest, so here's your cup. Okay, see it, and the opening gap here, and then one here. Okay, and those slip in that notch right there. Okay, same here. There's a notch on the screw. It'll focus. It's right there. Anyway, goes in those. Locks in there. Locks in. Okay. And then here's your ring. Okay. So on your ring, it's got one hole here, right there. There's nowhere else, and that's where your spring catches and grabs onto. So you've got the hook on the spring. Hooks up there like that. Okay. Your bulb. To make sure it's hooked on the spring. That. See there? And then turn it and make sure that these screws here, there, well, you got 1, 2, and 3, and that screws down your chrome ring, and that's what pinches down the light bulb, holds it in. Little screw. I'm gonna pause it for a second. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3 screws in. Okay, now that we got those in, so notice our light is slightly crooked. All right, so that's where these adjustment screws come in, here and here, and we'll tighten those down until the light is fairly level on the bracket, and then you do your final adjustments when you get these on the car and the light's on, so you know which way it's direct point. That way it's not pointing cross-eyed or up or down or whatever. So simple. Tighten them down. Sometimes this will pop off, so I would just keep your thumb on it like so. Keep an eye on it as you screw it in, and do a little bit of time, 3-4 turns, and then alternate to the other one, 3-4 turns. That way it's not twisting on you, because these can bend. And you just keep going, and then eye it on what you think, what it needs to be at. Okay, we'll still crooked, so I'll keep working on it. All right, not bad, fairly level, off. There. There. This end's a little high. Not too bad. At least we'll get that taken care of. And then when you go adjust the lights, that's how you do it. So you tighten or loosen these, and that is it. All right.